Within TBC 2026, there's also improvements within the cut fill map creating takeoffs. Once you create a cut fill map, here we have an existing surface, design surface, and subgrade surface, and we generated a cut fill map. Anything can always be changed by right clicking on the surface and going into properties. Here I'm going to take this pad and I'm going to generate some stake points. I've created a new layer called CF stake, and we're going to put in some of these points. So we'll put in a couple of corner points and apply these. Here we've created 4 points. So 4 points have been created. Now that we've created these 4 points, there's a command which we can type in: create spot cut fill points. So we're going to create spot cut fill labels. We've got a cut fill map. We'll pick a layer to put these on. Here we'll make a new layer. Let's build a layer and call it custom cut fill. So we'll make a custom cut fill, pick a color, and say close. So now we're going to build a new layer called custom cut fill. We're going to pick our size of text. If we want a leader line, if we don't, we can say no to that. Where would we like it? We can pick an exact location, or we can pick points. So here we could pick by layer, but we'll pick these 4 points. Again, if we've got multiple ones, we could just pick by layer. These 4 points will be selected. Label location will be at the center of any of these, and we'll create all the labels. Now we've created custom cut fill labels wherever we would like within our screen. Once we've done that, we may want to turn off the existing ones, and we can just see we can generate now custom layer and colors for custom cut fill maps wherever we would like on our screen, giving us greater control and more precision when we're generating cut fill maps. You may want to put these along a center line, building corners, or at any other custom locations.